everything's actually lined up perfectly, so I don't have to add any chemicals. I will just add some Defender. And then Defender just helps with the scaling, so if you ever see a hot tub and it just has any buildup around it, then that just prevents it from happening, and also calcium buildup. So I'll just turn on the jets. This one's just super easy because I didn't have to add any chemicals, just some Defender. Also, Defender cannot go in salt systems. If you do plan on getting some, just make sure your hot tub is in a salt system, or else it will build up in the lines and cause you a hassle, and then we'll have to come and replace some parts for you. So, Defender only for chlorine and bromine spas. And I'll just double check this side, make sure I didn't miss anything. Let's open it all the way up again. I just like to double check just so I don't miss anything, because you don't pay for us to come out here for me to miss something. Make sure it's all nice and clean for you. I'm ready to roll, and yeah, everything looks good, and all the chemicals are topped off perfectly, so everything's good to go. I just gotta put some chlorine floaters or chlorine tablets in this floater, and then it'll be ready to roll. I just use the GLB 1-inch tablets, chlorine tablets, and then I'll just pour it in here until I can't fit anymore. Put the cap on and it'll disperse slowly. Once the cap's back on, just set it in there and it'll start doing its job. And then this spa is ready to roll.